Want to make serious money online in 2025? Affiliate marketing is still king, but only if you pick the right niche. Choose wrong and you will be stuck hustling for pennies. Choose right and you could be making 10K per month on autopilot. And I'm talking in dollars, 10K dollars per month on autopilot. In this video, I'm breaking down the highest paying, most profitable niches for affiliate marketing that will dominate 2025. Ready to tap into the gold mine? Let's go. So what are the best affiliate marketing niche ideas for 2025? And these are high profit and evergreen niches. And affiliate marketing is one of the most powerful ways to generate passive income online. By promoting products or services and earning commissions on sales, you can build a scalable business with low startup costs and high earning potential. But choosing the right niche is crucial. Some niches are oversaturated while others have huge profit potential with minimal competition. In this video, we'll break down the best affiliate marketing niches for 2025, including evergreen niches, high ticket opportunities, and trending markets. And let's start with personal finance and investing. And personal finance and investing niche involves high commissions and evergreen demand. People are always looking for ways to make more money, save smarter, and invest wisely. With the rise of AI-powered finance tools, crypto, and passive income trends, this niche is hotter than ever. So what are the profitable sub-niches of the personal finance and investing niche? There is the AI investing tools and robo-advisors like Wealthfront, Betterment, and then M1 Finance. Then there is stock market and options trading courses like Investopedia Academy, and then Udemy, and then there's crypto investing and staking platforms like Coinbase, Binance, and Ledger. Then there are personal finance apps like Acorns, YNAB, and then Mint. And then there are credit card and loan affiliates like Nerd Wallet, Credit Karma, and Sophie. So what are the potential earnings? Many finance brands pay between $50 to $500 per referral, making this a high ticket niche. What are the best platforms to promote? YouTube, TikTok, SEO blogs, Twitter, and email newsletters. So the second best affiliate marketing niche idea is AI and tech tools. And in this market, there is what we call explosive growth and recurring commission. So AI is revolutionizing every industry, and people are actively looking for AI powered tools to automate their work, business, and content creation. Many AI tools offer monthly recurring commissions, making this niche highly passive. So what are the profitable sub niches? AI content and writing tools like Jasper AI, Copy.ai, and ChatGPT Pro. And then there is AI video and image generators like Runway AI, Midjourney, Pictory AI. Then there is AI business automation tools like Zapier, ManyChat, and chatbot platforms. Then there is AI stockbroking bots, AI stock trading bots like Trade Ideas and Trend Spider. So what are the potential earnings? AI software tools offer 20 to 50% recurring commission, so one referral can pay you every month. What are the best platforms to promote? YouTube automation, Twitter threads, SEO blogs, and then TikTok tutorials. So the third best affiliate marketing niche idea for 2025 is health, fitness, and biohacking, and this is in high demand, and it's also an evergreen market. Now, the health and fitness industry is always in demand, and with new trends in biohacking, weight loss, and mental wellness, there's endless affiliate potential. So what are the profitable sub niches? Weight loss programs and meal plans like Noom, keto meal plans, and then there is home gym and home gym and fitness equipment like Bowflex, Peloton, and resistance bands. And then there's biohacking and longevity supplements like Athletic Greens, then Bulletproof Coffee. Then there's wearable tech and sleep trackers like Oura Ring, and then Hoop, and then Fitbit. And there is AI powered fitness apps like Freeletics, Future, MyFitnessPal. What are the potential earnings? The potential earnings range between $20 to $300 per sale, with some recurring commissions on supplements and apps. And then what are the best platforms to promote? Instagram Reels, TikTok fitness trends, YouTube vlogs, and Pinterest boards. And then the next best affiliate marketing niche idea for 2025 is remote work and digital nomad lifestyle. And it's a growing trend with high ticket offers. So with more people ditching the 9 to 5, remote work and the digital nomad lifestyle are becoming major trends. You can promote remote job platforms, productivity tools, and work from anywhere gear. So what are the profitable sub niches? Freelance job platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and TopTal. Then there are online course platforms like Teachable, Skillshare, and Coursera. Then there are digital nomad travel gear like Nomadic backpacks, VPNs, Air, Rallo, and then eSIM. Then co-working and remote workspaces like WeWork and DeskPass. So potential earnings: many platforms offer recurring commissions or high ticket one-time payouts like $50 to $500 per sale. And so what are the best platforms to promote? YouTube digital nomad vlogs, TikTok remote work tips, and then Instagram travel reels. And then the fifth best affiliate marketing niche idea for 2025 is luxury and high ticket items, and we are talking about big commissions per sale. Luxury products have high price points, meaning bigger commissions per sale. If you target high income audiences, this niche is highly profitable. It's incredibly profitable. And what are the profitable sub niches? Luxury watches and jewelry like Rolex, Breitling, and James Allen, and designer fashion and bags like Gucci, Prada, and Louis Vuitton. And there's high-end travel and hotels like Booking.com, Expedia, luxury resort affiliates, and then there's luxury car rentals and private jets like Turo, and then Villiers Jets. Potential earnings range between 5 to 20% per sale, because that is what many luxury brands offer. And then with this means a single sale can bring in like $100 to $1,000 per commission. And then best platforms to promote: TikTok luxury content, YouTube lifestyle vlogs, and then Instagram influencer marketing. So the 6 best affiliate marketing idea for 2025 is e-learning and online courses, which is an evergreen market with recurring commissions. Now the online education market is booming and people are willing to pay for skills that boost their income. Many course platforms offer recurring affiliate commissions, making this niche highly passive. So what are the profitable sub niches? High income skill courses like coding, copywriting, AI automation. Then there's AI and tech courses like Udemy, Coursera, and Domestika. Then there's language learning apps like Babel, Rosetta Stone, and Duolingo. And then there are business and marketing courses like HubSpot Academy, and Thinkific. And so what are the potential earnings? Many platforms offer recurring commissions like $10 to $100 per referral month after month. So what are the best platforms to promote? Twitter, Threads, SEO blogs, YouTube tutorials, and then LinkedIn posts. Then the next best affiliate marketing idea for 2025 is subscription-based services, and this involves recurring revenue for passive income. It's good. It's something you should try out. It gives out recurring revenue for passive income, and subscription-based services are perfect for affiliate marketing because they offer monthly commissions instead of one-time payouts. And profitable sub niches include streaming services like Netflix, Disney, and Audible, and then VPNs and cybersecurity software like NordVPN, ExpressVPN, and then web hosting and SaaS tools like Bluehost, SiteGround, Shopify, ClickFunnels, and then AI tools and automation software like ChatGPT Pro, Jasper AI, and Canva Pro. Potential earnings: since you earn a cut of monthly fees, commissions can stack up quickly over time. So what are the best platforms to promote? YouTube software reviews, SEO blogs, email marketing, and TikTok tutorials. So choosing your affiliate niche in 2025 comes down to it depends on this. Let's do a quick recap, because success in your affiliate marketing comes down to choosing a profitable niche and promoting it the right way. And so here is a quick recap of the top niches for 2025. Personal finance and investing, which is high ticket with recurring commissions. And then there's AI and tech tools, which involves explosive growth and passive income potential. And then there is health, fitness, and biohacking, which is evergreen with a strong audience demand. And there is remote work and digital nomad lifestyle, which is trending with high ticket commissions. And then luxury and high ticket items, which provide big commissions per sale, and then e-learning and online courses, which are evergreen plus scalable, and then there's subscription-based services, which provide recurring commissions for passive income. Which niche are you going to dominate in 2025? Let me know in the comments. And also share this video with a friend and hit the subscribe button to become a member of the House of Wisdom community, where we are raising 100 Gen Z millionaires in 2025. Will you be one of them?